How to make the letter D. Okay, we'll start with a capital D. D is easy. It's very easy. Just blow up a balloon most of the way. Leave a little bit. I burp it. That's called burping a balloon. You push it like that and it forces the air back up in here. This balloon is fairly tight. I haven't squeezed and stretched it. I make a pinch twist right here. Come up to we're going to see the D. You got to figure out where it's going to be about. So I would say around here would be where I want the top of it to be. Another pinch twist. And then you just attach it. It's pretty darn simple. And I've left a little bit of the balloon here, so you can just tie that around this pinch twist. So we can do it like that. Just twist it, but to make sure it doesn't come undone, actually tie it. And I have a video on how to tie a balloon in case you missed that. And there you have your D. And again, you can shape it. If you want it to come more like that, just do that up there, you see? And down at the bottom, same thing, like that. Oh, that is one handsome D. One handsome D. That is very good. And now we will make the lowercase d, which is, I'm going to let you in on a secret. It's actually the same as the lowercase b, but you just turn it like that. Pretty cool. Okay, so blow it up however long you want it. We'll see how long you want it, about here. Do a nice pinch twist, And we're going to bring it around and bring it in like that. Isn't that pretty? We'll twist these together right here. And I'm going to want to make a pinch twist back here to hold the spine in place. So I'm going to pop this off, leave enough to tie, and make a pinch twist. Well, I just actually wrap the end of the balloon around, and that automatically turns it into a pinch twist. And so there is your lowercase d. Very nice. You have a lowercase and, hold on, that's it. Lowercase and uppercase D. Thank you very much. Next is